Hi everybody, this is Susan. I wanted to give you a quick look at Michael's at the diorama kits that are Halloween. Now the Halloween has not gone on sale yet, but here, sorry about the reflection, but this is so cute. Isn't that adorable? Has all kinds of goodies down below to make and put together and vines going up. Okay, and then I've told you you can get a case just like this off Temu. I don't know if they're selling the case, but let's look at all the different designs. Now, I've asked them, and the Halloween resin's not on sale yet. It's the fall is on sale, 40 off. And you can use a 25% off coupon at the store and go ahead and get your resins if you want, all the Halloween resins. And they're just so adorable. So I'm going to show you that in the next part. But I wanted you to see these kits, these Booknooks. Now this one says Booknook. So the first one was too. So you can think if you have a desire to make one of these, kit bash it, or now here's the one that they have made up. They're just so cute, and these will go on sale. I did buy one of these, and I haven't put it together yet, but you can certainly add to it. Oh, look, for all you that love your kitty cats, this one's very interesting. It's a Booknook. Let's see, it's got a cat mouth. Oh yeah, that's cute. Yeah, this is interesting. Woodsy, I like this. Really cool. Booknook. Okay, this is a diorama. Coffee shop. And then another Booknook. Another Booknook. And this says diorama. Looks like it has a platform that goes around it. So I'll let y'all know when these go on sale. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.